Hey, it's another Lil Wayne bite. Just a little taste of this and that. And I'm down in Houston, Texas in my folks' house. This is their dining room. And I'm making peanut brittle because my aunt makes the most amazing peanut brittle in the microwave, and I thought I'd share it with you. And I don't think this recipe is a unique recipe, but it actually is really good, and I want to show you how to make it. Now, before we get started, just a reminder, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You'll get more recipes, craft ideas, travel tips, even restaurant reviews, all in the same spot. Just click on the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you'll always know when new videos are coming out. So let's get started. First of all, one of the things my aunt says about making peanut brittle is to line up all your ingredients, almost like production style, before you ever get started. Because once you get started in the microwave, it's a crash and burn sort of thing. You keep on going, you don't want to stop. So here are the ingredients you need: 1 cup of sugar, a half a cup of light corn syrup, 1.5 cups of dry roasted peanuts, unsalted, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Now the other thing you're going to need is a 1/4 sheet pan, a small sheet pan like this. You're also going to need some cooking spray. My aunt uses canola oil, and you need a spoon. And you want to spray that cooking sheet because you're going to actually have the stuff harden on there, and you want it to be able to just come off really easily. So you spray that. So let's get started. You're going to start with a microwave oven safe bowl, and it's going to get hot. Even though it's microwave oven safe, it's probably still going to get hot. But you take your bowl, you put 1 cup of sugar in there, the half a cup of light corn syrup, mix all that together, and that's going to go in the microwave for 5 minutes. Now while that's in the microwave, make sure you get gloves or a heavy dish towel because that bowl's going to be hot. After 5 minutes, you're going to open up the microwave. You're going to pour in there the 1.5 cups of dry roasted peanuts. Stir that all together, nice and smooth. Clean off your spoon if you can. That goes back in the microwave for 2 minutes, and let that go for 2 minutes. After that comes out, you're going to add your vanilla extract and your butter, mix it together. That's going to go back in for 1 more minute. And while that's going for 1 more minute, you're going to prepare your pan. I've got a nice little dish towel here on top of my microwave, and I've got the pan there. And then after 1 minute, I'm going to take it out. I'm going to put in the baking soda, stir it. It's going to foam up a little bit. And you're going to just quickly, very quickly, you don't want to waste time, you're going to spread that right into your little pan there. Get it all the way out to the edges, get it as far as you can. Clean off your spoon if you need to, but spread it out as evenly as possible and push it down, and you got to move quickly because it's going to harden in a hurry. And then you're done. One of the things I'd remind you of is let that bowl cool off. Don't put it in the water immediately to wash it because that bowl will probably crack. But after about half an hour, 30 minutes, it's going to harden. It's going to look just like that. And what you're going to basically do is just pull it up from the bottom because it will have not stuck, hopefully. And it's one big sheet. And my aunt actually slides this whole thing into a Ziploc bag, and that's how she gives it to people as a gift. But you just want to drop it and break it. And I've already done one version of it right here. I may hold off and give that to someone in a little bag. So I'll take that and nice and crunchy. It's really good. Hey, all the information you need is in the information section down below. Check it out. Let me know what you think. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Also, leave me your comments. I'd love to know what you think about this recipe and other recipes still to come. Thanks for watching again. We'll see you next time. Bye.